welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Darcia and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood videos. So you guys get vlogs, you guys get home decor, fashion, you get makeup, you get all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are interested into that, make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below and make sure you guys leave a comment in this video because it does help boost my engagement. So yeah, this haul is gonna be really fun because we are stepping into the Christmas season. You know, I had to put the glasses on so I could see what I'm talking about properly. I'm kidding. I got these glasses. These are my prescription glasses and they're cute, right? But I need to wear them for a while so I can get used to it, and it's kind of hard. I kind of feel like I'm drunk. I got them yesterday, so we're still working on it. I will link them down below if you guys want, or in the comments. Just leave a comment and I'll send you the link. I really don't mind. But yeah, we have all kinds of stuff for the holiday seasons. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, just keep watching and let's just get started with this video. Let's start with like the cute stocking stuffers Christmas gift thing that I have. First thing I have are these bracelets. I'm gonna insert some close-ups of the bracelets. The first bracelet I have, I'm gonna take off my watch because it's very bulky. So it's this butterfly, did I say necklace? Bracelet. It's this butterfly bracelet. It's so cute. It's like in this rose goldy color. It has these diamonds all over it. So I got this cute little butterfly, and I think this is such a cute stocking stuffer for like a teenager or like a little girl. Even I'm a grown-ass woman and I love this bracelet and it's so cute. Next bracelet I have is this cute pearl one because I love doing like stacks with different kinds of bracelets. This one has a heart. It's like pearls, cute little pearls, and it's a heart with a J. I got a J for Jimmy, for the husband. I don't even think he knows. So babe, if you watch this video, now you know I got a J. So yeah, next I got this pretty ring. It is not a J, it's an A. I'm gonna insert a close-up because I'm really far right now, but it's this really dainty, classy ring of the letter A for my baby Attila. I love wearing his initials as well because, you know, I don't always want to wear like Darcia and D's all the time. So I got an A and I've been wearing it for like 2 weeks now. Yeah, anyways, I got this A. It's so cute. These are just great little add-ons to your gifts or even for yourself, and they're so affordable. And here's another stocking stuffer that I picked up. It's just I was using these. This is why sometimes my videos are kind of like all over the place. It's because I actually use the stuff that I get. These are blowout curling rods. So you section your hair in 3 pieces and you roll them into your hair. There's a bunch of tutorials on TikTok. And I've been using one of these for my bangs when I had my sew-in and my bangs, my front pieces. And it gives the perfect like blowout look with the front pieces of your hair. It's actually really convenient because going to work with heatless curls or heatless blowout, you know, thingy-majig, it just makes it so much easier. Guys, you guys don't understand how much this has saved my life as a mom that does not want to sit down and curl her hair every day. So these are great stocking stuffers, or a great gift in general. You can add like a lip gloss or like a keychain or whatever and make it a cute little, you know, I don't know. But these are great to add to your stockings. So next thing I got are slippers. I got 2 pairs. First pair I got is this one. I have worn these already around the house. For some reason my cats love these slippers. Every time I wear them, they're like, these are toys. They want to play with them. But there's these like they look like little doggies. They look like little doggies. They come in so many different colors. So if you're a pink girly, you're a blue girly, black even, they come in those colors. I got a beige. I love a good neutral. I would have gotten pink, but I already have some pink slippers and they're really expensive, so I'm not gonna get a ton of pink. But yeah, these are cute. I love them so much. I got them in a size, whatever equals to size 8, 40, 41. And yeah, they're super comfy and I've had them for 2 weeks and I love them. They're so cute. I got another pair of slippers because like I said, these are great Christmas gifts. So I got this pair. This one as well had great reviews on the website. The inside is a bit more Sherpa-y or teddy fleece and the outside's like faux fur. It has a cute platform for my little short girlies. I think these are so cute. I wish I got these on time for the cottage that I went for Jimmy's birthday, but I didn't. I brought my own slippers, but yeah, these are cute. Same size, 40, 41, straight to the point. Slippers, robes, Pajamas, cardigans are always a great gift to someone. I feel for like for the holiday time, because it's winter, you want to be cozy. So yeah, I got these. I think they're so cute. Next thing that I got that's not like Christmas themed is this cardigan. The last video we got the gray one, but I realized that I have a lot of light cardigans. I don't have many darker colors, so I got this nice chunky brown. It is perfect for the season. It's really long. I sized up. It has massive pockets. I have it in gray and I love it. I always wear it with like jumpsuits or like cozy lounge two-piece sets, and I just figured, you know, what's one more cardigan in my collection? And if you guys watch me, you guys have been watching me, your girl loves a long, I need it to drape on the floor. Okay, I need a long ass cardigan. I love cardigans. So I got this one and I think it's so cute. It's so cozy and so like, I don't know, just so festive. Without it being like full of like Christmas designs, just feel the cozy Christmas vibes. On to, oh, I have something else. This is I didn't try it out yet. So, you know, if you purchase it, we'll see. I haven't tried it out yet because I took out my sew-in by the time that I got this. So it's a hair dryer, but this feels like such high quality. It comes with the instructions, and basically I like to blow dry my hair with my big blowout brushes, but I feel like my scalp is never fully dry, so I think something like this will help. Also, like if you put in your heatless curls, or you put in rollers, if you put in rollers and you didn't like put them overnight, you put them like a couple hours, you know, you use this for them to cook on your head. I think this is great, and I'm looking forward to using this. I love this pattern. Usually I would stay away from this, but this is so in. I think I've been hypnotized into liking, I like accessories in this pattern. So when I saw that this was the only one left, I was like, I don't mind, this is cute. So you put it on your head, you turn it on. Update on the nail light that I got in the last video. I will link the last video in the description box. I love it, 10 out of 10. So that's why I have high hopes for this, because so far the technology on Temu has been, you know, 10 out of 10. First thing that I got is this like cute little serving platter dish thing, but this is just going over my stove on my, I think it's called a backsplash, I'm not too sure. It's a reindeer. Look how cute this is. I'm not gonna use this to serve anything. It's for decor purposes only, and I think it's so cute. So I got that. It comes in 2 sizes. I think I got the smaller size because I don't have that much space, but I think this, so cute. Really like this, and it's really high quality. You could find this at like, you know, the bigger stores. That one store that I like to go to often that starts with an H. You guys know the home store? Yes, that store. Those things are like 30 bucks on that, or like on Temu. Click the link, you'll see. This is not expensive at all. I got some stockings. Like I have these exact ones from a couple years ago in cream. So I don't really need these, but you know, I have them. They're cute. They come with the hook. They are knitted. They're not a print. They're properly knitted. They're so cute, and so they're quite small, but I like them. You can hang them anywhere. But it comes in a 6-pack. So you get 2 cream, 2 dark reds, which is going to be perfect. And it comes with 2 forest greens. So I think these are such good quality, and they're so cute for your decor. Even as like gift wrapping, you can like stuff like, you know what I would do? I'd put like like tissue paper, a perfume, I don't know, like a blowout brush, heatless curls, lip glosses, you know, like stuff it and just like put some tissue paper and like, Merry Christmas, this is your, I made you like a cozy basket or a Christmas basket, but in a stocking, which is nice. You can also take these and bring them to get customized. You know, you can get them like embroidered. That could be really cute. So it comes in a pack of 6. Next, I got these pillow covers, these cushion covers. I got one because it's the only one that I found at the time. Mind you, this order has been placed like end October. So maybe right now there's more stock. But I got this. Look how cute this is. And it has bells. Oh, the kitties are coming. You like it? Yeah, it's cute, eh? They're both like, what is that? So yeah, it's a burgundy Christmas tree with bells as ornaments, and it's cream. Perfect, perfect, perfect for this theme, for the theme this year. So I'm really excited. And it's 18 by 18, which Basically is the size of a traditional cushion. Next, you guys are getting a sneak peek into the actual decor and what I'm gonna be doing with the Christmas tree. So I got these beautiful silk roses because I'm gonna be using these roses to decorate my tree. I saw this on TikTok like in September. That girl was ready for Christmas and she killed it. I forgot. I'm gonna try it because I saved her TikTok because I wanted to give her credit because she's literally the first person that I saw do that, and then I saw 2 other content creators do it. They usually use berries as well with the roses, but I'm not using berries. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. But there's these beautiful silk burgundy red roses. Do not. You wanna see? It's a rose. You wanna say hi? He is the most social out of the 2 cats. Come say hi, baby. Come on, chunky monkey. Hi. Say hi to everybody. Look at my big boy. It's my 4-year-old boy. Okay, he's gone. Here. But yeah, I think there's 12 roses in each pack, and basically you just like fluff them and you stick them in your tree, and they basically help fill out the gaps when you haven't fluffed your tree to the, like, I'm not a professional tree fluffer. I'm really good at it because I really take my time. Jimmy's like, when are we decorating this tree? And I'm like, well, you need to fluff it first. It needs to look pretty naked before you accessorize it. So after fluffing in the gaps, that's when you put the roses, which is so cute. So I got those, but I saw there were multiple packs. So I got 2 packs. They look so real. Anyways, I'm going on a tangent about fake flowers, but I like details. I like to spend more on things because you can tell that the quality is great. I could have went to the dollar store and gotten my roses, but they don't look like this. They do not live up to this. So I really like these, and the burgundy is perfect. This looks like a red velvet cake. Ah, j'adore. So I got some ornaments. So like I said, burgundy. We are going to change the holders because these are pink, so they don't match. But these are from velvet. Oh, these are beautiful. Got 2 different packs because they were promoting 2 different, like, I don't want to say vendors, but 2 different models. I didn't know which one to get. They're both the same. You choose your poison, you know, pick your poison, whichever one you want. They're both the same. They're both the same quality. They both look amazing. They feel amazing. I love these so much, and they are a fraction of the price of what you see online. The velvet ornaments are so pricey because they're so in right now, but not on Temu, baby. So I'm so excited. These are such good quality. You guys look forward to the next video because it's gonna be a fun video. I haven't had the to do Christmas content until sitting down and filming this. Show you guys these because they've been on the side so Bae can put them up, but unfortunately he is sick as a dog. But these are prints, so forget the frames. I actually bought the frames myself, but now you guys see the finished product. These prints are really cute for the holiday time. I think I'm gonna keep them throughout the whole winter because I did choose something that didn't have, you know, Santa Claus or, you know, gingerbread houses on it. I just chose something pretty simple, and they're really good quality. I did buy the exact same prints on, you know, the 2-day shipping store, but I returned them because when I got these exact same ones from Temu, I was like, these are the same thing. So I returned the ones that I bought, and they were a fraction of the price. So yeah, there's one with, you know, pine trees and a nice deer, majestic deer. The middle one says walking in a winter wonderland, and this one has a cute little cabin and, you know, Bambi and her man. I don't know, I think they're really cute. So these are the prints that I got. These are all the items that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you let me know. I want to know in the comments what your theme is this year. If you even have a theme. I know the nostalgic 90s theme is like back, which I love. I've been on 90s TikTok, 90s Christmas TikTok for like weeks now, and I think it's so cute. I'm a modern babe, so I like my things modernized, but the nostalgic theme is really in and it's beautiful. Let me know what your theme is this year for Christmas, or if you have a theme, your dream theme as well. what would be your dream theme? So yeah, leave a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big thank yous to Temu for sponsoring today's video, and happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.